XRP, we start with monthly chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And first of all, based on monthly chart, when we look at the chart, we see the reversal is very corrective. Now the question is, what's the next? Whether we can look for continuation, and we can expect this is the start. We can expect the continuation with the breakout of at least 2.0, or we can. The next option is, how about if we get the next drop before we see the reversal? Okay. Anyway, since the overall market is moving, we are expecting for the price, even if it is moving as a corrective, we are expecting this is the one is going at least tag 2.0, which is the somewhere around the tag or break the previous top. Okay. But beside that, as I mentioned, since the overall market is moving, but beside that, we should be technically aware of this possibility reversal as a corrective next drop before we see the continuation. Okay. Even the possibility for this option is very low, but we have to be aware of this, because if it's happened, we can expect easily the price, we can expect to drop to somewhere over 30 cents. Anyway, as I mentioned, for this year, I'm looking for XRP. I'm looking for buy, but the only question is still the way it's moving is very corrective. Okay, that's why if we get any opportunity for buy, for me, I will take it. But if it's moving my direction, I will keep the trade. If not, I will take out the trade in the break even. What I want to say is that even if we're moving or reversing as a corrective, but as long as the time is start to move, we can see it can move really short. Okay. Anyway, at this point, if anyone wants to look for buy, the breakout of the 94 cent is really important for us, following by 1.3, following by 1.33. This is the target as a short term we have been looking for. Okay, before we see the breakout of 2.0, or I mean all-time high. Okay, since the price was within here, I mentioned I want to see the breakout of the 94. We see this short move following by news, the price couldn't break the 94 cent. What I want to say is that before we expect this continuation, and before we expect the price tag 2.0 or break the 2.0, we have to see the breakout of the 94 cent. That means the 94 cent at this point is really important for me. Okay, but how to look for trade at this point? We have to look for trade based on lower time frame, because weekly chart, it doesn't give us really much information. And if I move to lower time frame, if we move to daily chart, okay, now I'm looking at this. Any opportunity for buy from here, I will take it. And mostly if this one turned to three-way, it can give me better opportunity for buy with the stop loss somewhere below this. Okay. That's why if anyone wants to look for buy, the best things is we see the next drop. If we move to lower time frame forward chart, it will be more clear. And if you refer to the indicator, it doesn't show us much information. Okay. That's why we move to lower time frame. We move to forward chart. The reasons why I want to see the next drop before I take the next trade, because we can expect this one turn to a flat. Then any opportunity for buy the sharp move flag based on 1 hour chart within this one, I will take it. Okay, this is the best option I can look for, but it doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here. If anyone wants to look for buy from here, the only option is to put the entry above here. In that case, we want a price sharply tag, break, and continue. If the price tag, we see there is no continuation, we shouldn't keep the trade more than 2 hours. But the question is, how would if the price tag following by divergence, then we get the next drop? That's why if this one turned to flat, this is where I'm looking for buy. Okay, but it doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here. Okay, that's mean at this point, I don't see any trade setup. We have to wait. And if I move to lower time frame, if I move to 1 hour chart, similar explanation, not much different. Okay, by the way, as I mentioned, the way is moving is very corrective. For me, if I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it. But if it's not moving in my direction, at least I move my stop loss to break even or take over the trade. Okay, and at this point, based on the daily, I'm looking at this one. If this one turns a deeper one, then any opportunity for buy from here will be good trade. And rather than that, I don't see anything else to discuss. That's why if I move to weekly chart, the breakout of the 94 cent at this point is really important for me. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.